We begin our journey by thinking about how life would change on a flat Earth. We would need to rethink everything we know about physics and mathematics, as a flat Earth would mean that the laws of physics and the entire universe would have to operate differently. For instance, gravity would not work the way we know it to. Objects would not be pulled towards the center of the Earth, and instead would stay in place. The concept of day and night would also change completely. If the Earth were flat, there would be no sunrise or sunset, but only a constant change in the position of the sun. Additionally, the way we measure distance and travel would also be affected. Traveling along a flat surface may require different means of transportation, and the distance between 2 points would no longer be determined by a curved surface, but by a flat one. Throughout human history, there have been many beliefs that were eventually disproven by science. One such belief is the flat Earth theory. Despite evidence suggesting that the Earth is round, there are still those who hold on to the idea that our planet is flat. It's important to note that the majority of people and scientists believe that the round Earth theory is accurate. However, if the flat Earth theory happened to be correct, it would force us to question everything we know about physics, astronomy, and our place in the universe. Nonetheless, scientific evidence has proven that the Earth is round, and it's important to respect and adhere to scientific consensus. If the Earth was actually flat, it would drastically affect our understanding of gravity. Gravity is what keeps our feet firmly planted on the ground and allows the Earth to orbit around the Sun. If the Earth were flat, it would likely mean that there would be no gravity holding us down, but the reality is that the Earth is not flat, and gravity is a fundamental force that is at play all around us. The Earth's round shape is actually vital in maintaining gravity's effects. The planet's mass generates a gravitational pull that keeps nearby objects in orbit. If the Earth were flat, it would not have enough mass to generate this same gravitational force. Additionally, the Earth's shape also impacts the distribution of gravity across its surface. The planet's rotation causes a bulging effect at the equator, which affects the strength of gravity in different regions. This means that the strength of gravity is not uniform across the planet's surface. The flatness of the Earth and its impact on climate change cannot be ignored. If the Earth were flat, it would change the way our planet interacts with the Sun and how solar radiation is distributed. This would directly influence the way weather patterns are formed, and change the frequency and severity of natural disasters like hurricanes and tornadoes. Moreover, a flat Earth would alter the way we live our lives. It would affect navigation, transportation systems, communication methods. Additionally, with no curvature, the Earth wouldn't have gravity, hence flat layers of gas and dust would replace the current atmosphere. In summary, the flatness of the Earth would bring about an avalanche of radical changes, leading to catastrophic events beyond our imagination. The concept of a flat Earth would majorly alter the way we approach space travel and communication. In a flat Earth, traditional satellite-based communication wouldn't exist as the technology relies on the presence of an elliptical orbit around the Earth. The use of cell towers and other ground-based transmission methods would also be limited as they have a finite reach. In addition, space travel would have to take into account the flat Earth model, which could potentially limit our ability to reach certain points in space. Overall, a flat Earth would have a significant impact on the way we communicate and explore beyond our planet. In this shot, we delve into the Earth potential impact it could have on the way we view ourselves and the world. Perhaps the most significant implication is the paradigm shift it would bring about in modern science and our understanding of the universe. If the Earth were flat, everything that we know about gravity and the laws of physics would be called into question. Scientists would be required to completely reframe their understanding of the universe, throwing centuries' worth of research and advancements into chaos. Additionally, the discovery of a flat Earth would have profound implications on our cultural and societal beliefs. For instance, it could impact the way that we practice space exploration, as well as our historical events and landmarks. It would likely necessitate a re-evaluation of our beliefs and attitudes towards the planet and its inhabitants. In many ways, the idea of a flat Earth is so fundamentally different from our current understanding of our world, that it raises important questions about the very nature of reality, as well as our place within it. As we wrap up our journey of exploring the concept of a flat Earth, it is important to reflect on the key takeaways. While the idea might seem illogical and unscientific in today's world, its exploration can provide us with a unique perspective on how humans have evolved over time. It also emphasizes the importance of challenging traditional beliefs and thinking outside the box. Deliberating on this idea can enable us to appreciate the technology and scientific advancements that have enabled us to measure the Earth's circumference, understand the planet's shape, and even explore other celestial bodies. In conclusion, the concept of a flat Earth is not only a thought-provoking experiment, but also a reminder of how far we have come as a civilization, and how much more we can discover by pursuing innovative ideas and breaking down traditional barriers.